Welcome back. Marlon McLeod with you on Freedom Guider. Freedom Guider is a platform where we speak about the importance of having the correct mindset, marketing techniques, and motivational speeches that keeps you pushed on so that you can get your unlimited success that you ultimately need in your life. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Today, we're going to speak about a course that I have done. It's Commission Hero. Commission Hero is a course that teaches you how to promote other people's project or products. So if you're an affiliate, this video is for you. If you're a vendor, this video is also for you. I'm an affiliate representative. I promote people's product. So I'm freeing myself of headache of customer service, of blah blah blah, shipping. I do not know how people do it. I do not know how vendors do it. So yes, Commission Hero is a platform that teaches you how to advertise on Facebook. So if you're a great Facebook fan or you have limited knowledge about Facebook, this course will open your mind, give you a lot of information, and allow you to be successful in the market. Now look at this. These are some of the results from implementing the course Commission Hero. Look at this. Sorry, let me just go back. Look, Sunday, $50,000. Look, this is a lot of money, right? I think it's a lot of money. Okay, so let me just give you an overview of what the course entails. The person that started the course is Robbie. This is Robbie here. This is Robbie. Maybe I can get a clearer view of Robbie. Where is he? Maybe I can go to back a bit. Yes, 1 minute. Yes, this is Robbie. He's one of the greatest affiliate marketers online. He made about $1 million in 1 month through this course. So let me show you what the course entails. When you start the course, Robbie will give you an introduction of affiliate marketing, which is to basically market, promote other people's products. That's the easier of the game, and so forth. So he'll teach you how to do ad accounts. Now, ad accounts is what allows you to promote your products on Facebook. He'll walk you through step by step of how to promote a product. He'll show you how to get the customers. He'll show you how to make a fan page and much more within this introductory course. And if you go further down, you will see here ClickFunnels and so forth. So he takes you through step by step. And in fact, you'll find in the upper link of this table, you'll find in the upper of this video, you'll find a link that takes you through making a ClickFunnels by yourself. If you're not sure what a ClickFunnels is, it's basically a route that takes the customers to the selling page. It acts different from a website. On a website, a customer may come and they might get distracted by various colors, various items, and end up leaving, not buying anything. However, with a ClickFunnels, they're kept in a specific path which encourage them to make a purchase. Let me give you an example. This is one of the funnels that Robbie has created for me and that I'm using now to promote a fitness item. Now, as you can see here, the color has to be catchy, the writing more. This is for a fitness item. This is where you'll put your affiliate link. So you'll go here, grab your link from this, and I hope you're aware with ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the most popular platforms in propagating products. So you go here to the marketplace, you choose a product that best fits your character or best fits your aim in promoting. Okay, so you go and click promote This will take you to a pop-up page where you can grab your hop link, which will be here. So you go, click this, grab your hop link, bam, copy, paste, close. Then you go to the funnel that Robbie has created for me, and you put the link here. When people come onto this funnel page, they'll read through. Sorry, do not forget to press save. It's really important. When they come to this website, or this funnel, it's like a website, but less than a website, okay? So when they come to this funnel through your link, they'll read, then they'll click. Then they'll be taken to the vendors platform where they will complete the purchase. When they purchase something, you get a commission, okay? So let's go back to the course. So in the course, Robbie highlights the importance of ClickBank, find the most appropriate offer for you. Then he'll give you another platform, which is Maxwell, where you can also get links to products of other vendors, and AVD. So all these are platforms that the course walk you through. So take your time, have a look. I've placed a link in the bottom of this video in the description section that gives you the sign up page for the course. I've done the course. I've found it to be extremely productive. I've opened my mind to a different world of information, and I've allowed Robbie to walk me through, inform me, and get me up to pace through the Facebook groups that he offers. So here he takes you to the landing page, ClickFunnels, which I just showed you, which was here. Then he takes you to the affiliate links that you'll take from either ClickBank or AVD platform and so forth. He also takes you to setting up a Facebook pixel. This allows you to track the purchases that were made. The thing is this, when you go online, you'll find much information, different types of information. Oftentimes, things are not transparent. Bits of pieces are here. You have to go and look at another video to complete it. You get confused. Here on this course, everything is in front of your eyes. You go through it step by step. Do not jump the gun. If you have any question, you can reach out to customer service. You can reach out to Robbie in the Facebook groups that he has. And if you would like more tutoring, you can ask for a private coaching with Robbie. Beauty. Now let's go further. So scaling. So this course offers you different platforms of promoting different affiliate links. When I say platform, meaning the ClickFunnels, different platform, and it's here. It gives you platforms like weight loss, battery renewal, and many more. So take the opportunity, go below, look at the data that this course entails for you. If you find anyone else that is in need of this information, that is in need of quitting their 9 to 5 hour daily job, give them this course. Give them the link. Tell them about it. Share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscription bell, the button, so that you're updated with the latest videos that I produce. And also, that goes great for the algorithm of my channel. So that's the overall inside of Commission Hero. Feel free to leave your comment. Feel free to check out this course and other courses that I have also recommended on my channel. Give me your feedback about the course. Give me something so I can know how you feel about affiliate marketing, how you feel about Commission Hero, and let's work together. This platform is for everyone. A point to make. It's very important that you have the correct mindset in an online business. If you tell yourself that you cannot do it, there's no way you can make money in life. If you do not have the inner belief that you can make money online, and you do not implement, or say that you implement to an extent, you'll never get the cash that you can receive. Why? Because your belief is not there. Entrepreneurship is something that comes from the inner self, from the heart, from the chest. So change your mindset. Get a mentor. Robbie is here. Get a mentor. I'm here. Get a mentor. There are other people online, and I can give you some other names and other courses in the future that can address your specific problems in entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on the next video. Marlon McLeod, Freedom Guider. Peace.